Hello, good evening to all of you. I am Dr. C.A. Vishwanathan Iyer and I welcome you all to this amazing session where I introduce you to this subject called as Cost and Management Accounting. You all might be wondering, when we have accounting, what is the purpose of cost accounting, right? So let me start by taking a very small example. When we were in fourth standard, or maybe roundabout, we learnt a small equation in mathematics which said cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. Now, cut to the current scenario. This equation holds true even today. When we look at this equation, we find there are three variables: cost price, profit, and selling price. In this equation, we know that profit is a dependent variable. It depends on the selling price and the cost price. And every businessman is interested in this dependent variable only. He wants to maximize the profit. When we try to analyze it a bit further, we understand that we may increase selling price to increase our profit or reduce the cost price to increase our profit. Tell me, which is easier? So, if your mind says increase the selling price, so friends, you need to understand one basic aspect, that selling price is actually an uncontrollable factor. Many factors that determine selling price include market competition, the existence of the product, and so many other things. So, in simple words, it's very impractical to increase selling price all of a sudden. So, what option is left out? It's only reduction of cost price. Then the question arises, how do I reduce cost? So we must know what are the elements of cost. Any product which we consider has three major components: the material cost, the labor cost, and the overheads cost. Proper analysis of each and every element is required before we decide which cost can be touched, or in simple words, which cost can be reduced. Agree? Now think about financial accounting. What financial accounting does is only recording of business transactions. It compares the cost and selling price and helps us arrive at the value of profit. No doubt about that. But to increase the profit, especially if you are in a manufacturing concern, you must understand the elements of cost and the techniques by which our existing cost can be reduced. So, do you now understand the importance of tax, or rather cost planning? This is what is cost accounting all about. Cost accounting as a subject is one of the technical subject as far as accounting is concerned. The world of accounting is huge. In its wings, it has financial accounting, management accounting, taxation, auditing, so on and so forth. But costing stands apart as it focuses on elements of cost, and every manufacturer needs to know which cost has to be considered for the purpose of reduction. So in my following videos, we will learn in detail about techniques for calculation of cost and further evaluation of these costs. So stay connected and keep watching. Bye.